So you've decided to try your hands on Python. Now the questions are, is Python already available on your computer? If yes, how to find, use and manage it? If not, how to install the latest version? This video guides you on all these, for Linux users. If you're using a Mac OS or Windows machine instead, skip to the corresponding video, Python in Mac OS or Python in Windows. Continue watching this video, if you're a Linux user. Latest versions of most Linux distributions now come with Python 3 pre-installed. To verify, open your terminal and type this and press enter. This machine already has Python 3 installed, as you can see. Else, if it wasn't there, response would have been like this. Let's see how we can install latest Python 3 version using any of these three approaches. If you're using Fedora or any other similar distribution, you can install latest Python 3 using DNF. Else, if you're using Ubuntu or Debian or similar distribution, you can install Python 3 using apt. This will take care of all dependencies. You can easily upgrade or uninstall too. But be careful not to corrupt the pre-installed Python. And the repository may not have the latest version too. An alternative is to get it from the Python website. Open Python website in a browser and download the latest Python source file. Open a terminal and install these dependencies. Then run these commands. Usually, our custom installation will be at user local bin. To remove this installation, carefully delete all related files at that location. We shouldn't touch anything else, especially the system version at user bin. What if we have multiple projects that run on different Python versions? Pyeny makes managing multiple versions easy. Start by installing the dependencies. Then, install pyeny itself. I added these lines to the end of my .bash rc file, and then refreshed the terminal. Now pyeny is ready to run. To install a specific Python version, just run pyeny install. Going back to the example, start by installing all desired versions. Go to the first project directory, run pyeny local command. Now that version is available inside this directory. Outside this directory, it's still the system version. Likewise, we can change into other directories and set desired versions there too. Now you have Python 3 installed. Run the command Python 3 from your terminal to open a Python shell. While learning, you can try out the lessons in this shell. For example, enter this command to read the Zen of Python. Press Ctrl D or enter Command Quit to exit the shell. So to summarize, it's easy to start learning with the pre-installed Python 3, if available. Or else, you now know how to get one, and then upgrade or remove it. In the next chapter, we will start exploring with the Python shell, and then write and run our first program.